Welcome to Storytel Studios, and I have with me Amit Shandilia, the writer of the History Podcast, the latest history podcast on Storytel. The podcast is titled India Uncharted, the history you missed in class. Now, why have we named or given that title to the podcast? Because these are chapters or stories from our ancient history which you actually didn't or never heard about at the school level or at the college level. And this is where we come in and tell you about these exclusive stories.
Now the second question was talk about the stories. Yeah, I'll give you a very brief hint of a couple of them.
Yeah.
For example, there is one story I have done on the American War of Independence. Now, your question might be, why American War of Independence in a podcast titled India Uncharted? Because we have read about American independence from the perspective of Americans. Like, okay, what George Washington did, and he, drove the Brits out, and none of us were ever told about India's role in this. Of course, it's not a direct role, but it all started with tea, and tea came from India. Tea has a very fascinating story just as a commodity.
Yeah.
Started from China, started opium wars because the British could not get hold of tea because China didn't want to sell tea outside. China was self-sufficient, in today's terms, Atmanirbhar. China was Atmanirbhar, so it didn't want to sell tea to the outsiders. If at all you wanted to buy, China wanted silver in exchange. Hey, give me silver, take my tea. What the Brits did, they didn't want to deplete their silver. They started growing opium in India. And they started smuggling opium into China. China didn't like it, so it led to opium war. Money they gained from opium trade, they used that money to buy tea. That tea came to Britain. Initially, Britain started selling tea around 1600, 1620, somewhere around that time. And the first time tea was introduced to Britain, it was sold as it's an aphrodisiac, it makes you intelligent, it does all kinds of crazy things. So it sold very well. Then it came to America, and Americans also got hooked onto it. That's how they started taxing the Americans. Americans didn't like the idea of being taxed without a representation in the Westminster. So this is how no taxation without representation started, and they revolted, they rebelled. This rebellion is the reason America doesn't drink tea today. It drinks coffee. Yeah, because they shunned tea. And like how India shunned salt for some time.
Right.
So that was the story of tea. That was one involvement of India.